Hey everybody, package arrived in the mail. I really have no idea what could be in this. It's heavy. It says Mighty Pro Tools on the box. I don't think it's anything I ordered, but I have had some things coming. Oh yes, I'm surprised. Okay, this is something I ordered. I wasn't expecting it because it wasn't... I forgot about this. This thing has been late for a while. I totally forgot about it. I know what that is now. That is something I ordered long ago. This is something going to help me in the future work on my vehicles. I am no longer going to be messing around with trouble on the road when I'm working on my vehicles. I spent a lot of time deciding which one I wanted to get, and I ended up getting this model. This is a tailpipe expander. So you put that in your piece of your end of your exhaust pipe, and you spin it with a wrench, and that's going to expand and make the one pipe large enough to slide over the other. So you've got different sizes for different vehicles, and that's going to help me a lot. I did eventually finally order the right parts for the Jeep, and I've been waiting on this for quite a few weeks now. So there it is. It looks to be heavy solid metal. There are spare washers for the pipes. There's one each, so don't know when I'm going to get to this because the Jeep is a side project for now, and we've got spring and planting going on. But there's that. I couldn't figure out what that was because I ordered through Amazon a long time ago and totally forgot about it since then. Because like I said, the Jeep is on the side. That is heavy. Very heavy. Now there's something else. For all I know, it could be Amazon. I have no idea what this is. Or it could be from somebody. We are ordering things for the Homestead now. And yes, it is. Okay. Yes, it is. I thought it felt a little heavier than I expected. These guys gave us a bonus. That's why I was thrown off by this pack. I had no idea what would be in here because there was a little more weight than what I expected. These are solid too, though, to be honest. These are pretty heavy. Well, they still got some grains in there. These are inoculated. These are inoculated dowels with mushrooms, and I can't really say that. I don't know. Melanie says it's shiitake. All I know is they're good, and they're expensive, and this one's sealed. This one's nicely sealed. Oh, there's some moisture in there. So I got that off Amazon, and that arrived. So that one arrived, I think, a little earlier than I wasn't sure when it was going to be, and here it is. So I've got some oak branches that I've been holding for this. So we'll be inoculating, I think that's 100 dowels, and we'll be inoculating some oak. And then some of these I'm going to put in growing medium and see if we can grow that in the house. Michelle's playing downstairs. And then the wax, and that's to plug the holes in your oak log. You put the dowel in, drill a hole, put the dowel in, and then melt some wax over the hole. And then that seals it and keeps any other contaminants out while they grow. These things, I don't know, I think it's, I don't know, 6 to 9 months or so, from my memory based on the various ones I've read. And 6 to 12 months. It'll take anywhere from 6 to 12 months to colonize the log. And once it's colonized, the environment is favorable, you'll see mushrooms popping out of the holes that you made. It'll produce for many years with the proper care. So both of the sets I got, when put into logs, will produce for many, many years to come. So I will put the link down below for that if you guys want to go ahead and get some of them. Good evening, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. A lot went on today, but I'm not recording because my foot, I think I took a chip off my ankle. I'm getting stronger, but if you touch it, oh, it hurts like really, really bad. I can now walk on it if I don't bend it or flex it, and I've learned how to cope with it for now. And so today, I was a little bit busier. You may notice something different out here, something a little bit there. We ordered some gravel, and that's just a fraction of it. There's going to be some gravel in front of our shop, and that was just delivered an hour ago. And I'll show you where the rest of it went. Right there is 3 yards. We got a total of 4 yards, 1 by the shop and 3 here. It does not at all look like that much when it's dumped out. But we've got 4 yards of gravel, and we're going to spread it and make walkways from the car to the house and between the 2 homes, and then out in front of the shed, the store, to keep grass and dirt out. That way we have a clean walkway. We'll have a little bit spread here, a couple inches deep, to walk around when we park the car here. So that's why the gravel is right where we park our car normally. Now I'm not recording much because of my ankle. It is awkward enough to move around, let alone if any of you have ever done recording, you know you have to go run across the yard, set up the tripod, set up the camera, hit record, run back to where you're going, walk through, come into the camera, say your thing, do your work, move the camera, change angles, set up the camera, do your little shot, move your camera, set up. It's just not happening right now, so that's why I haven't made video in a while. Now you may notice here, our wood pile has nearly doubled in height. I've got a longer story to tell you. I see Michelle left her crackers out. I've got a longer story to share with you very soon here. But we as a family demolished a shed today, and we got entire thick 1-inch boards, 1 inch by about 12 or 14 inches. And we also got some nice 2x4s and some 2x6s. And I'll show you what I've been doing. Melanie. Oh, Melanie is making some really cool, out of scrap pallet wood and some netting she got. She's making gates for her greenhouse. And that is really neat what she's doing there. These were some pallets. We're probably going to have her paint them up. But this was some pieces of some chandelier pallets, if I remember right, where we got them. And she put some netting on it. She's got 2 doors for her gardens, so that's really cool. And this is why it's so awkward for me, because I can't really get on the ground, and I can't really stand on it much, so I'm sort of hobbling, shuffling around. And I've been working here. There's a little pile of wood left, and I'll show you what I'm up to. I've been making something really cool with some of the lumber, the 2x4s and some of the boards, and I'll take you over and show you what's going on. Over here is going to be a catio, cat patio. And what we're going to have is, right now these 3 boards laying down are the back wall, and I'm going to put cross bracing on them, and then raise them up, and then bolt them down or screw them down to the bottom deck. I don't have enough 2x4s, and I think it's overkill to put boards across down there and up at the top and all that. It's just going to hold some chicken wire, and so I think it's way overkill to put all the proper wood. I have a piece of 1/4 inch by 3 inch, 1/4 inch thick by 3 inch wide wood that I'm going to put for cross bracing on them, about 4 of them from top to bottom, and that'll hold the chicken wire. And then the cats are going to be able to come through that window through a closed, sealed box. The reason we want it sealed is we don't want wind to be able to blow in. And then into the catio, the cat patio, outdoors here. And then cut off to this side, we're going to have the litter boxes. What's that? Oh, bird. We're going to have the litter boxes out here side by side under an enclosed, fully enclosed compartment. We're open to the front this way. So I'll have a door. I'm going to walk in, turn around, and I can take out the litter boxes and deal with them. And then the cats are going to have multiple levels and decks and places to play on outside. And I'll have a door with a lock here for me. And then flapping doors going in, and I'll have that framed in and insulated up in there in the window. So hopefully this will be a 4-season setup, but we'll see how it goes once it gets cold, if they're still going to use that or not for their litter. But anyway, there's one of the walls. That's the back wall. There's the framing for the front wall laying down there. But I got to clean up my tools and put things away for the night. It was slow going, and I just, with my ankle, I'm just not really moving as fast. So I just, I didn't do the recording. But I might go ahead and, when I finish this, if I get to it tomorrow, I might go ahead and do that then. Melanie is making a very beautiful little area here. She salvaged up some things that we were leftovers from the houses that were here when we got here. And I think she's done a nice job. Now sorry, I got distracted. There's something screeching outside. That angle bracket is going to go on a tree, and she's going to have a hanging plant there. But I think she did a really beautiful job here around this tree. Really nice. Now over here, she's doing the same thing. She ran out of mulch. We're going to have to get her some more mulch. In front of the mobile, here was a plant. That sandy spot all up in there was a potted plant, and it was really in our way, and she moved it herself, actually. I didn't even know she did it. And she cleaned out the porch pretty well. And she brought that over here, and that was bordered with all these rocks. There was a whole rock heap, and she literally took them and put them all the way around here now. And yeah, she wants to finish that mulch. And what she's doing here, I'm not sure. But she's setting up a really nice front garden here. I think she's doing all right. She's salvaged that little chair frame thing. She's putting a flower in that. Everything is all salvaged materials she's doing out here. I think it looks like a baseball field. But she's been working away at it. It's looking good. Inside the greenhouse, the plants that did survive, I put a blanket over. I don't know. Whoops, I'm hitting the button. I don't know what. It's like one of those fake carpet things or fake grass things. I don't know what it is. But anyway, I put that over the plants that did survive. And we do have this wild, I think it's a berry. If it doesn't bear fruit this year, it's going away. This is its second year. I'm going to see what it does. But anyway, the greenhouse is warmer when you go in there. And I'm not going to open it up now. I don't know if you can see the thermometer. Probably won't be able to focus on it. I don't know. I've got a thermometer. Yeah, you can't quite focus on it, can you? Not quite. But it's pretty warm in there compared to outside. I have a hat and a winter coat on. And so it's still quite warm in there, so it's making a difference. But when we had the deep freeze, my neighbor said it was in the teens the other night. So that's what did it. The night it wasn't supposed to freeze. It just was caught us off guard. So I think everything else is doing okay though. But it looks good. I'll finish it up. I'm going to put another layer of plastic. I've been studying greenhouses, and I'm going to put another layer of plastic on the inside, and that'll help a lot more as well in the future. Plus, our plastic on the outside could use replacing. There's some holes been poked in it. Nothing big, but there's little holes, and I think every little bit of loss you get is bad. So I'm learning, and we're going to fix that up. So. And seal and caulk and silicone, anything else. I think we'll have it eventually. Anyway, there's some updates from the off-grid homestead. Just getting back on my feet again. It's been almost 2 whole weeks since I've been able to really do anything. So Thanks for watching, though, and stay tuned, because I am getting mobile again. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. Hopefully growing our own food this year. That'll help on self-sufficiency. Good night.